Look at the baby. Is Genevieve waking up? Hmm?
Look at the light. Make a funny things with their mouth. And doing that eye thing where they look like... Yes. Oh, you want the... What, the light? Okay. Good thing you're good at... Okay. How's that? That's good.
Now you can see better?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You needed more light for that, didn't you?
You're able to see clearly, huh? Whoa. Iris, how's Genevieve?
You're taking your nose in. Got it? Alright, let's get the hair off the face. There, and now get the nose. Okay. There.
How's Genevieve?
Dribble a little milk there.
Oh. Should we burp her?
Yeah. What do you think, Mom?
Grandma's gonna do it, but I need you to help her. Patting on her back. Do you remember where? Do you remember where? Mm-hmm.
You want to come over on the other side over here?
Uh-oh.
Okay. Wait a minute. Let me get situated here. Okay.
Yeah, baby. What are you trying to do? Just moving furniture?
Watch it.
Uh-oh.
You did it!
Yeah. Did that feel good, Genevieve?
You did it, Iris. You have to get it out.
Oh, look at that. She's like, oh, I can't quite see ya. Now she looks like she's winking at you. One eye's closed and the other eye's open.
Bobby, what are you doing?
Savage. She wants to have a nose. You know, when you were a little baby like this, you were crazy. That's what she did. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
She liked it. You loved it.
Did a good job on burping. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Every day she'll get a little bit bigger, and before you know it, she'll be as big as you are.
And I can say
And that will be up to your mother. By then she'll be bigger, and it'll be like taking a body. I don't think you want to put that big old hole.
What?
The Incredible Wolf Hulk.
You're not yelling.
I know, you're tall.
Wow.
And a hugger.
You can hug her.
You
look like.
Look at that hair.
Look at that hat.
Well, we just wanted to get a look at her hair for the picture. Besides, when the hat's on her, you can't